Being the best dog owner in town, tips and tricks. Owning a dog comes with some responsibilities. When your dog needs to go to the bathroom, they might scratch at your back door. When your dog wants love, he may look at you longingly. Dogs cannot communicate everything they want, so keep watching to find out what a dog needs. If you are interested in providing your dog with the healthiest of diets and making positive contributions to the Earth's environment, make his food from scratch. You can buy locally grown organic ingredients and provide him all the proteins, carbs and fats he needs with no preservatives while reducing the waste from packaging as well. If your dog has fleas, and they fall off his coat onto your floor, vacuum them up. However, remember that fleas are pretty good escape artists, so you need to throw out the bag immediately after you are finished. To be on the safe side, tape the bag completely shut before you take it out to your trash can. It can be really helpful to incorporate hand signals with verbal commands when first training your dog. When you give your dog these kinds of signals, he may learn faster. Try these things to find out what is the best for your pet. Your daily lifestyle should help guide your choice of dog breed. For instance, if you are athletic, you might want an active dog, not a poodle. On the other hand, if you are the type of person to sit at home, you need a smaller breed that will enjoy lounging around with you. Both of you are sure to be happier if you choose a good match. People say that you can tell what your dog is thinking by the way they look. This is true. However, now that you've watched this video, you have a deeper understanding beyond just facial expressions. Your new knowledge will certainly make for a happy dog. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.